Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Miaira Jennings, and in this DIY video, I'm going to show you how I turned this into this. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I asked my Instagram followers if they wanted to see me transform an infinity scarf or a long sleeve shirt, and 61% voted for the infinity scarf. So that's what I'm going to be transforming today. I got this lovely burgundy infinity scarf from the 99-cent store for just $1.99, and I'll be using my sewing machine, a colored pencil, fabric scissors, and sewing clips. That's it. For more info, just scroll down to that description box, and let's get started. First, I am folding the infinity scarf so there are 4 layers of fabric. Then I'm using my colored pencil to draw a kind of rounded triangular shape that's going to create the cups for the halter top. Now I'm using my fabric scissors to cut the shape out through all 4 layers of the fabric. Once that's cut, I am separating them into 2 different cups, and each cup has 2 layers of fabric. Now I'm taking my sewing clips and clipping all around the edges. Once those are clipped, it's time to create the base band of the halter top. I'm taking the rest of that fabric and cutting horizontally from folded side to folded side. Then I'm just folding that in half to line up the folded sides and clipping that side together. The length of this is completely up to you and how long you want the top to be, so feel free to just hold the fabric up to your body and figure it out that way. And the base is complete. To create the straps, I'm just cutting 2 long strips of fabric that will kind of just wrap around themselves, so it'll be perfect. Alright, the straps are done, and now I am just cutting this strip of fabric that I will later use for the ruffles. I'll go over all the details for that later, but for now, let's head on over to the sewing machine and sew these parts together. First, I am sewing the edge of that base band together, flipping it to the right side, and the base is complete. Now I'm sewing all the way around the first bra cup, but leaving a small opening in one corner. Then I'm using that small opening to flip the cup inside out so the raw edges don't show. Now to create the cup shape for the boobage, I'm folding the cup vertically in half, lining up those edges, and then using my pencil to draw a curved line at that folded center. I actually learned this technique from watching a Miaira Tours video. Do you guys know her? Comment below if you've seen a Miaira Tours video. She's freaking hilarious. But anyway, now that that's done to both sides, I'm just sewing along that curved line. And now the cups are complete, and it's time to attach them to the top. I'm using my sewing clips to clip the right sides together of the bottom of each cup to the top of that waistband. I only left, I think about 1 or 2 inches between each cup because I didn't want it to be too much cleavage, but this is completely up to you. Now I'm just sewing along those edges. Once that's done, it's time to add the straps to the top of each cup. Make sure you add them to the back side. And once those straps are attached, all that's left to do is add the ruffles, baby. To do this, I'm folding that strip that I previously cut in half, and then starting at one end, I'm just tucking that raw edge under, creating a little fold, lining it up with the very top of that first cup, and then clipping it in place. Then I'm moving down another inch or 2, creating another fold, placing it right underneath that other one, and then clipping it in place. And I'm doing this all the way down the edge of that cup. Now at this point I was thinking that I was only going to add ruffles to the cups, but later on I decided that I liked the ruffles in the middle too. So instead of cutting it like I just did, if you want the ruffles to go all the way across, then just go ahead and keep folding and pinning, or folding and clipping, until you get all the way up that second cup. So here's what mine originally looked like, and I'm going to go ahead and sew those ruffles on along those clipped edges. Here's the point where I decided that I wanted the ruffles to actually go across the center as well. So I used another piece of that same strip of fabric. I tucked the edge in just like before, then created a fold, clipped it, created another fold, clipped that, created a third fold, clipped that, and made sure that those edges were tucked in. And now I'm just sewing it right on. And we are done. Guys, I think this came out so freaking cute. To say that this started off as a 99-cent store infinity scarf, I gotta go try it on. Let's go. That is it, guys. Not a lot of work at all for a huge transformation. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please drop a comment below to let me know what you think, and let me know what you want to see me DIY next. If you're already subscribed, thank you. And if you're not, hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you never miss a DIY video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.